Hello, class. Today we are going to do Monday social studies in week 21, money in your pocket. Okay, so go ahead and take your studies weekly. You're going to open it up, and then in the bottom middle, it says, when did people first use money? When did people first use money? That is a very interesting question. Let's see. That depends on what you mean by money. People have been getting things they want since humans first showed up on Earth. At first, people would just trade something like they had for something they wanted. This is called bartering. Later, people used shells to trade for things they needed and wanted. The first coins were made about 2,600 years ago in Turkey. People started using paper money in China about 1,200 years ago. Did you know that the largest bill ever printed in the United States was a $10,000 bill? There are even a few of them around, but most of them are in museums. Very cool. Think about it. Have you ever had something somebody else wanted and they had something you wanted, so you traded? Think about it. Let me know. Let me know if you've actually been able to trade something that you had and didn't really want anymore for something you did want. Okay? All right. And then go ahead and answer the questions on our lesson plan. I look forward to reading them. Thanks, guys.